What is up? Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I'm, as usual, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So, looking at this chart, I want to say one thing. Guys, I have gotten it right. I got it right, and a lot of you know it, and a lot of you understand it. You saw it go over 10 million. I don't know why some of you find it so hard to take action. And then, when it hits the all time high, and you still haven't taken any action, and then it goes down, you're like, oh, but maybe, it was good that I didn't take action. What's good? What's good? It's literally consolidating a new support lines. I was screaming about it at these levels. So obviously I got it right. Even when they started going down, when it peaked very high up, look, look, it's doing magic. So really, really happy about this. I think the future looks really good, really solid. We've got some nice milestones that we're going to be hitting very soon. The socials are buzzing, ladies and gentlemen. We're talking about like listings, Crypto Galaxy going crazy about it in his Discord and everywhere. I mean, at the end of the day, like if you want to find these early gems, you're going to have to trust them. But this early gem has proven the test of time, being around since the start of this year. Those that managed to get in at these levels, oh my God, crazy. And you can see many influencers were actually talking about it. But now the team has really putting in some good work, exchanges, partnerships, listings, and so on. All these things are very important. Give it the ultimate push. It's going to take it to the sky and very, very far. So very happy about this. I think right now we're also very lucky to be in the right time, the right moment, the time when you can actually change your lives. You can really make a change in your life. A lot of you are working jobs and doing all those, ridiculous things that you don't really have to be doing. All you have to do is just, trust the process with this. You see a lot of exchanges coming in. You see it's doing the right job. I mean, look at the socials. Join Lemmy. Have a look at what is going on. And then tell me, is this not like a coin that's going to explode over 100 mil in this bull run? To me, it is. I'm sorry, guys, but it is. And you will, go back to these videos. Remember me, like these videos back then when I was telling you about it. And you'll say, hey, Gossipator, you really made some good calls. So yeah, guys, join. Make sure you also check out their roadmap. Everything is actually set out here, all the phases, all the market caps. So let's get active. Let's keep pushing. Work for your bags. And yeah, guys, I will see you in my next video. Peace out.
Pay attention, crypto gossipators. Things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.